Hi, hey, look at this on my screen. You see this floating bar. So this is Binance floating price. Yeah, prices. That this is BNB, BTC, ETH. You can add as many as as you want. So imagine like if you are using Binance and you have some asset that you want to keep track of, like you maybe if you are watching movies, you are browsing, whatever that you are doing on the phone, you want to constantly be seeing as the price changes, so that maybe he didn't use maybe he didn't use limit price or stop price or whatever it is. I didn't use it, or even though you use it and you watch that market is going against your price, is going against you, so you want to quickly go in and make the adjustment. So this floating bar, this floating price is, it is very, very helpful. So how can you activate this if you are using Binance app? Okay, so I will show you real quick how you can go about it, right? So let me click on it. Let me click on BTC USDT. This is BTC USDT. So if you want to activate this, all right. So here is it. Let me click hold. Let me see. And I click on hold and just make it disappear. Okay, I can minimize it. So it has minimized this with this icon here. Let me click on hold. Can I just take it off? Okay. All right. So let me minimize. So to do that, you go to, that is the home. All right. Let me go here. Off. So you are going to activate in the settings. You see at the top left corner. All right. That is, yeah, top left corner. I click on it. What is wrong with my distance? All right. So you go to that part. As I click on it, go back. Top left corner, this sign of Binance, this in here, yeah, the logo there. So I click on it, and next is settings. Yeah, next is settings, and the setting is at the top right corner here, beside this part here. Go back. Yeah, settings. Those to settings, then you look for floating window. Yeah, you see the floating window here. That is after, under general. Then floating window before BNB discounts. So click on floating window, and yes, it has been activated. If I click on off, I toggle it off, the that has disappeared. I toggle it back, is on. Off, has gone. So this way you will activate the floating window. And you can make a custom. So let me just click on add. Then you can search for the pair that you want. So let me see, let me search of sand USDT on. Okay. Next is let me see, Shiba Inu. Okay. On. What else? Let me search for. Okay, let me stop at that. As many as as many as possible. Okay, let me search for so USDT. All right. So click on saved. Saved is at the top right corner. Yeah. Save. So you see them here, and you can make adjustment to them, like in order of priority. All right. So this is let me see. So let me take sand to the top. I click on here, drag to the top. As simple as that. No, to the top, and then sheep to the top. Yeah. So let me leave it like this. Okay, you see as it is. So if I click on, okay, the floating window is off. Just click on it. It's off. You see, this is 1 or 2. I click on the bar. It show me the rest of the asset of the rest of the asset that I'm watching. All right, and you look at the bar. You can increase the transparency level or reduce it. So let me just reduce. It becomes ticking. So it means that if it is on a place, I will not be able to see whatever that is happening there. Okay, maybe if I'm watching movie, I can't see that section. So you can make it transparent, fully transparent. You see, fully transparent. You can easily see through the distance. So let me go and I've clicked on it. So it's fully transparent. It does not disturb whatever, you know. Yeah, it does not disturb. If I should click on this, yeah, this is Twitter. Okay, this is Twitter, and I can see whatever that appears under. All right, so I can see whatever that appears under. So that is, yeah, that is for the transparency level there. So let me go back to back here. So that is fully transparent. So if you want to take it 80%, so that we're able to see the levels. Yeah, so basically that is it. And it has saved automatically. Yeah. So let me click on, yeah, okay, BNB. So there's a BNB. So it's as easy as that. So that is the floating window. So whatever that I'm doing, the price is whatever app that I open, whatever the date, it will always be there. I can minimize, yeah, this little bar here, and I can increase it. Yeah, I can maximize it. So basically that is it. Now to do that. All right, so I want to stop recording. Oops.